So here we are in the garage. We got our jerky we're about to throw in the smoker. We got the truck pulled up with the trailer. About to fix these ramps here. I can't really use them. I'll show you here in a second, but we're gonna extend it so I can use them. So my issue with this is I'm already at my max extending out on this ramp. I can't come over anymore. My tractor is too narrow in the front to make it up this ramp. So we're gonna go ahead and just picked up a longer stick right there, 1/2 inch stock. And we're gonna go ahead and extend over to probably here or here and here. I don't know yet, but we'll see. We gotta just figure out what I wanna do and call it a day. So I went ahead and put about 1/4 cup of soy sauce in here, about 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Got onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of ginger, and some like Cajun seasoning. Blackstone brand. Got it at the Walmart. Just a little bit of that in there. And went ahead and mixed it all together pretty good, and I was gonna let it marinate for about, probably let it marinate till about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and then I'll throw it on. It's 8 o'clock now, and then we'll throw it on the smoker and try some jerky. We got the smoker warming up, and let's go ahead and throw this jerky on there. Well, it's already warm, but I got her on the smoke mode, and oh yeah. I can show you all this loaded up. We'll throw her back on. It ain't gonna yield a lot, but it'll be a good test run. So here's the whole plan. We're gonna go ahead and take this all apart. I'm gonna put another support here and here, as long as everything's jiving and lining up, and I can run this pole. I got 2 sticks here, 100 foot, or not 100 foot, 10 foot sticks. It was 20 foot, had to buy the whole stick. So we'll go ahead and cut up new supports, punch a hole in them. So got this thing shutting down. And like I said, I knew it wasn't going to yield a lot, but man, it's good stuff right here. This one a little burnt. It's got a little crisp to it. You give this to someone without telling them what it was, they think it's that Jack Link's. I mean, it's better than that, I ain't gonna lie to you. But this is good. Oh yeah. Hard worker over there. Hands are clean, look at that. New hired hand. Oh, ham, so Drew go ahead and took the old cutting torch and melted some holes through this thing and cut me up some razoo brackets, and we're gonna go ahead and burn these in and take the grinder to it and round them down. That one ain't that round down, but some of them are a little bit. We'll just kind of make it look all right, halfway decent. I wouldn't recommend buying that metal from Lowe's. I mean, that was my last resort. There ain't no metal stores open by me, and this rod here I got from a metal store over by Drew. He picked it up on his way over. And tell him how that worked out.
$150 minimum, fucking $100 steak, and charge me $150 for it.
They won't cut metal. They'll cut it for you, but you got to buy the whole sheet. And I wasn't about to buy a whole 8-foot sheet of 3/8 steel, so not me, not today. Rosebud. Bending this thing back straight. I don't know what they got it with, probably a bucket or something, but we're gonna bend it back straight and weld those back together. I already kind of beat it back a little bit, but these holes are pretty much flat. Looks pretty good. I mean, we're not replacing it, it looks decent, I guess. Good enough. Me, I ain't too picky. We got that thing nice and hot, and we was beating on it. And if y'all watched me put that fence in, you would have seen me broke this hammer. But she was hanging in there, I was still using it, but it turns out the old ramps is too much for her, so I guess I'll put a handle on it. I've been putting it off, but I think now it's time to put a handle on it. He's cutting through. That's 1.5 inches. He's about to blaze through it right now. We thought about it, either hitting it with a grinder or what do you call it? Sawzall, but we said to heck with it. We'll just cut through it real quick with the old settling torch and be done with it. Like a hot knife through butter. You wouldn't think that was 1.5 inches, how quick it cut through that. Now we'll just clean that up with the old grinder. About halfway through it. All right, I'll be about to snap my wrist. So before we got in here, I only had from here to there for adjustment, which only equates to being like 2 inches of play. And now I can bring it over that far, all the way over there. Granted, I lost a little on the outboard edge, but that's all right. So, looks good. Put the lights back in. Fresh coat of Lowe's dollar can paint. Everything looks good. It's functional. That's all that matters. Being able to put this tractor on here is pretty nice because now I have a trailer I can actually use. But got that pinned, and like I said, we was only being able to use that much of an adjustment. And now we've got this whole bar to slide on here, so much nicer. Like I said, I lost about 3 to 4 inches right here going outboard, but it's a 100-inch wide trailer. It ain't that big of a deal to lose a little bit of room on both sides, so everything's good. We got this pretty much straightened back down and threw a little weld on there, and it's all right. It'll work for me. I don't need nothing fancy. What you think, Moose? What you think, Willard? We just got a new, I just put this metal screen door on, so that way we can leave this open and get nice airflow from the front door and those two windows all the way out to the back there. And it's pretty nice. Easy install. Step in the hardware box. But yeah, it looks good. Went with black because the house is dark brown and they didn't have any like cocoa brown color, so just went with black. And I'm happy with it. It looks nice. And now the dogs can sit there at the door and get a little bit of sun. They usually do at the window. And that's why I went right there. That's why I went with the metal. Moose, you're out of control.